guys, we're back at the Dallas Zoo today. We're getting over being sick, so we decided now that we're back to full health, we needed to get the kids out and see some things because we've kind of been indoors for the past week. The great thing about the zoo is it's so big, you can't possibly see everything in one trip, especially if you have little kids that are going to need to go home and take a nap. So we're coming to explore the other side of the park today, which we haven't seen. If you do have children with sensory issues, they do have sensory bags up at Member Services. They also rent single and double strollers if you need it. And you can check out online to see what kind of information sessions they have. And take your kiddos to get some knowledge on animals. Here we go, Michael. We're gonna ride the carousel. Whee! Whee! Woo! Got some stroller rental in case you forget yours. We got some ducks here, some flamingos. Oh, somebody's strutting their stuff over here. Hello, sir. Would you like to show off? Oh, yes. Beautiful. Fun fact, flamingos get their coloring from what they eat. No, you're fine. You see the ducks? Are the ducks sleeping? These gorgeous birds are southern screamers. I have heard no such screaming. Oh, kisses. I wonder if that's a baby or mate. Size, it's probably a mate if I had to guess, but what do I know? I don't speak bird. And some lovely picnic areas and food trucks here in the center. Some places to take some photos. And it looks like we have a historical marker. I'll let you pause to read this. 1888. Are some red-legged Serena. There's one down here on the ground. I think he's a little anxious about his pen being cleaned.
Y'all sound like great owls.
Hey, they said, what did you say? This is an owl. There's two owls. Let's see. Speckled owl.
They're so pretty.
Looks like they've got a information session thing at 1:30. It says his name means snatcher because he's going to snatch your chihuahua and eat it. Hopefully not, but I definitely wouldn't trust him. Bird. Here is a blue-winged goose. that is a Macquarie stork. He seems to be a little camera shy.
Hiding behind the rock.
We have, I'm not even going to try to say that name. When you've got dots and squigglies above the letters, I'm out. But it is a type of vulture. There's one there. And then there is another one over here with his little head behind his wing, taking a nap. The aviaries are really nice. They have like a lot of flowing water. Oh, look, there's a third one. They have really good eyesight. One interesting thing about birds is if they have a hooked bill, they tend to eat meat, or at least more likely to, versus things like blackbirds, grackles have a flat beak and they do not eat meat. So there definitely is a lot of walking at the zoo. So if you have any mobility issues, you can look at renting strollers or electric wheelchairs, because it is a lot of walking. But luckily everything's wheelchair friendly, and so you can make it work. Where are you going? Are you going on the train? Yay!